In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Prime Video. First, if you're having any problems with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem like with your logins, simply tap on your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Prime Video application. And here you'll be able to see all the applications available on your device. Here's the app we're looking for. Click on Prime Video and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you log into your application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your logins. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.